What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Here, coming at you live from the south of France. We've chucked the missus and the kids away, and I just thought I'd jump on and just talk a little bit about my view of the market now. You know, the cryptocurrency market never sleeps for anyone, irrespective of whether you're on holiday or not. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Keep up to date with all the latest and greatest in cryptocurrency. But look, it's been pretty quiet. Honestly, if we really truly look at the markets, Bitcoin's hovering around 66k. We see a couple of altcoins starting to move, but generally speaking, it's a pretty flat week. CME interest around $39 billion. In Bitcoin specifically though, when you look at things like Binance, around $9 billion, and many others. Now recently we had El Salvador starting to really push their narrative around cryptocurrency, in particular Bitcoin mining and a few other bits that go into it. But what have we got coming this week? Well, we got the Fed rate pause that we saw the other week that really has kind of slowed things down. The market was moving pretty well. Everything kind of slowed down. Now we're waiting and anticipating how other countries do fare. We know Canada, for example, they've reduced. The ECB, the European Central Bank, have reduced as well. So there's lots of narratives out there that certainly support the view that inflation should be starting to come down. People should have a little bit more money to go and invest in the cryptocurrency market. Now you may ask yourself, well, what is about to come in the market? What have we got to look forward to? Well, as always, we expect the settlement when it comes to XRP. Are we finally going to get that outcome? We obviously see ETFs for Ethereum. Now they are just, in my opinion, a couple of weeks away. You start to look at who is buying in, who is operating nodes, and who is starting to position themselves to maximize the potential on these. And for me, you already see some of these big institutions, VanEck and many others, starting to position themselves for an Ethereum ETF. In fact, Fidelity, when you look at their proposal for those ETFs, actually have node mining within that as well. So Fidelity going to be running an Ethereum node when it comes to these ETFs, which is kind of wild when you think about it. Furthermore, when you kind of look deeper into the market, you've got this narrative around meme coins starting to push. Now, many people don't believe in the meme coin push. Many people believe that meme coins aren't a thing. However, the new Coinbase wallet offering access to many of the other base chain networks and coins that are launching over there, which ultimately drives adoption and, more importantly, brings new users to the space. Now, don't forget, Coinbase normally hits the #1 used app when we are at the top of the bull market. Now, we've also talked about pull multiplier, and a lot of people predict that we're there. A lot of people think we've missed the bull market. Well, look, my view is we are significantly away from that, and actually there is a ton more to come. There is loads more potential out there to get hold of, and you only have to look at a couple of key narratives to really understand how much of the market is still to push. Now, let's not forget the American-listed Bitcoin mining companies' stock value hitting record highs. In fact, JP Morgan buying into some of these big mining companies that are really starting to make a name for themselves in the space. The exact number to put on that, $22.8 billion worth of mining stocks being bought up as part of these American mining companies. Now we're seeing much in terms of Casper, Ice River slashing their prices, looking for people to really pick up on the mining narrative, but there is still so much more to come. Again, we talked about the accelerated cycle theory that we thought maybe back in 2024 we'd see this push. Well, actually, certainly looks like early 2025 could be the narrative. But in times like this, the best thing to do is sit back, relax, enjoy a holiday, let the cryptocurrency market do what it needs to do. As ever, we'll try and keep you up to date this week on what's going on. However, I'm studying myself, so look, who knows. Let me know in the comments though what you want to talk about, any topics that are on your mind, and we'll try and cover them off in this videos. As always, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget that like and subscribe button. Check out some of the links in the description if you're interested in trading futures or joining my project coming up very soon, Marbitz. Links in the description. It's definitely going to be one to keep our eyes on. Lots of exciting stuff coming. May even be dropping a VC in the Telegram hopefully this week. But as always, thank you so much, everybody.